Ram Ram Ram. Warm welcome to all the attendees of Lalita Sahasranama Parayanam. Sorry for the delay. There were some technical issues in the connectivity and hence it took some time to join the webinar. Just wanted to check if I'm audible. So I will just request the panelists to let me know if I'm audible. Aditi?
Ma'am, you're audible, ma'am.
Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, but there is a lag. There is a lag between the audio and the video. I think.
Aditi?
Ma'am, I can hear you, but there is a lag between audio and video.
Okay. Okay. Now is it clear, Aditi? Can you speak now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It's clear.
Yeah. Dhanyavadaha. Ishu, can you hear me?
Yes.
Aditi, you can hear me, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. So we'll start. Sorry for the delay again. Let me start with the Dhyana Shloka, Mangala Shloka and the Dhyana Shloka, and then we will directly move on to the participants, and I will request the participants to raise their hands to volunteer for chanting. गुरुरेव गतिः गुरुमेव भजे गुरुणैव सहास्मि नमो गुरवे न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोः मतिरस्ति गुरौ मम पाहि गुरो. I'll chant the Dhyana Shloka. Before we start, let us, as usual to our other classes, let us visualize the form of Shri Lalita Parameshwari completely for a few seconds. We'll chant the Dhyana Shloka. Sinduraruna vigrahan trinayanam manikya taranayaka shekharam smitamukhi mapina vakshoruham panibhyamali ratna chashakam raktotpalam bibhratim सौम्यां रत्नघटस्थरक्तचरणान् ध्यायेत् परामम्बिकाम्. I would like to request the participants to raise the hands for chanting. Let me see who have all raised the hands.
Excuse
Yeah,
me,
Aditi.
ma'am,
Tell me.
Ma'am, I'm unable to view your screen, the one with the lyrics.
Okay, let me share it. Okay.
Yes.
But I guess there is some issue with the connectivity because I'm not able to display my screen correctly. So let me see what can I do about it. Please give me few minutes.
Yes.
Aditi, you're here?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
What you can do is you can chant the shlokas from 30 to 40. By the time I'll see
Okay.
what I can do with the screen, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
If I can say it right. Yeah.
Ma'am, 1 second. Ma'am, can I start?
Yes, you can start. Chant the first shloka, Shri Matre, and then go directly to 31st shloka.
Okay, ma'am. ॐ श्रीमाता श्रीमहाराज्ञी श्रीमत्सिंहासनेश्वरी चिदग्निकुण्डसम्भूता देवकार्यसमुद्यता विशुक्रप्राणहरण वाराही वीर्यनन्दिता कामेश्वरमुखालोककल्पितश्रीगणेश्वरा महागणेश निर्भिन्नविघ्नयन्त्रप्रहर्षिता भण्डासुरेन्द्रनिर्मुक्तशस्त्रप्रत्यस्त्रवर्षिणी कराङ्गलिनखोत्पन्ननारायणदशाकृतिः
Aditi,
महापाशुपत
can you stop there for a minute? It is
Yes.
Karanguli Nakhotpanna.
कराङ्गुलिनखोत्पन्ननारायणदशाकृतिः महापाशुपतास्त्राग्निर्दग्धासुरसैनिका कामेश्वरास्त्रनिर्दग्धसभण्डासुरशून्यका ब्रह्मोपेन्द्रमहेन्द्रादिदेव संस्तुतवैभवा हरनेत्राग्निसन्दग्धकामसञ्जीवनौषधिः श्रीमद्वाग्भवकूटैकस्वरूपमुखपङ्कजा कण्ठाधः कटिपर्यन्तमध्यकूटस्वरूपिणी शक्तिकूटैकतापन्नकट्यधोभागधारिणी मूलमन्त्रात्मिका मूलकूटत्रयकलेबरा कुलामृतैकरसिका कुलसङ्केतपालिनी कुलाङ्गना कुलान्तस्था कौलिनी कुलयोगिनी अकुला समयान्तस्था समयाचार तत्परा मूलाधारैकनिलया ब्रह्मग्रन्थिविभेदिनी मणिपूरान्तरुदिता विष्णुग्रन्थिविभेदिनी आज्ञाचक्रान्तरालस्था रुद्रग्रन्थिविभेदिनी सहस्राराम्बुजारूढा सुधासाराभिवर्षिणी तडिल्लता समरुचिः षट्चक्रोपरि संस्थिता महाशक्तिः कुण्डलिनी बिसतन्तु तनीयसी भवानी भवनागम्या भवारण्यकुठारिका भद्रप्रिया भद्रमूर्तिर्भक्तसौभाग्यदायिनी Ma'am, till where, ma'am? Ma'am? Ma'am, till which shloka?
Aditi, can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I have organized for an alternate arrangement, so I will share my screen now, and we will start with the okay. Let me move directly to 25th. Yes. So I will start calling out the names of the people, the participants who have raised their hands. Where is that? No. Okay. Yeah. We will start with Anuja. Anuja Bhagini. I have unmuted you. Can you chant the shloka which is visible on the screen? Can you see the verse?
Yes.
Your voice is not audible. Anuja Bhagini.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you chant the Sampatkari Samarudha?
Yes, ma'am. Sampatkari Samaruda Sindhura Sevita Ashvaruda Dishtita Svakoti Koti Biravrita.
Uttamam. Can you try the second one also?
Yes, ma'am.
Chakraraja. Next one.
चक्रराजरथारूढ सर्वायुधपरिष्कृता गेयचक्ररथारूढ मन्त्रिणी परिसेविता.
Uttamam. Just that after the Chakra Raja Ratha Rudha Dha Mahaprana is there. So you will have to pronounce it like this. Chakra Raja Ratha Rudha Sarva Yudha Parishkruta Geya Chakra Ratha Rudha Mantrini Parisevita. So the Mahapranaksharas, as you see on the screen, are highlighted in red color, so that you need to give little more stress. Otherwise, you are chanting it nicely. Okay. Dhanyavadaha
Thank you.
Anuja.
Thank you,
We
ma'am.
will move to the next person.
Oh.
Shai,
Yay.
you can mute yourself. Request once you chant, people can go on mute. And the other request is those who have chanted in the last class need not raise their hands. What we will do is we will finish with those people who have not got an opportunity to chant. So once that is over, I will again call out the people who had already got an opportunity to chant. So please support in this. Shaila Jag, I have unmuted you. You can you are on self mute. You can unmute and chant. You can chant the Kirichakra Ratharuda.
Yes, ma'am. Kirichakraratharudham dandanatha puraskruta ज्वालामालिनिका क्षिप्तवह्नि प्राकारामध्यगा.
Next one also.
Yes.
I will show you the next one. Bhanda Sainya.
भण्डसैन्यवधोद्युक्त शक्तिसेन शक्तिविक्रमहर्षिता नित्या पराक्रमाटोपनिरीक्षण समुत्सुका.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini.
धन्यवादः.
We will Shri Keshava Mahodaya.
Ram Ram Ram.
Ram. Can you please chant the same shloka, Bhanda Sainya?
Bhanda Sainyavadhodyukta Shakti Vikramaharshita Nitya Parakrama Topa Nirikshana Samutsuka.
Uttamam. You can chant the next shloka also. Bhandaputra.
भण्डपुत्रवधोद्युक्त बालविक्रमनन्दिता मन्त्रिण्यं
Bala Vikramanandita.
बाला विक्रमनन्दिता मन्त्रिण्यम्बा विरचित विसङ्गवधतोषिता
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha. You can mute yourself now. Gurumurti Mahodaya.
Namaskaram, ma'am.
Namaskaram. Can you please chant the next shloka? Vishukra Pranaharana.
Vishukra Prana Harana Varahi Viryanandita Kameshwara Mukhaloka Kalpita Shri Ganeshwara.
Uttamam, just couple of small things. Vishukra Prana Harana Varahi. Dirgha is there. So Varahi Viryanandita. So he also is Dirgha. We also is Dirgha. So that Dirgha should be heard. And in the next line, that Mukha, Kha is a Mahaprana. So little more stress needs to be placed there. Can you try again, Mahodaya?
Vishukra Prana Harana Varahi Viryanandita Kameshwara Mukhaloka Kalpita Shri Ganeshwara.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha Gurumurti Mahodaya. Geeta Shekhar Bhagini. I have unmuted you. I think last class you had chanted. I missed. Yeah, you can chant one shloka anyways. I have unmuted you. Mahaganesha Nirbhinna you can chant.
महागणेश निर्भिन्न विघ्न यंत्र प्रहर्षिता भंडसुरेंद्र निर्मुक्त शस्त्र प्रत्यस्त्र वर्षिणी.
So here you have to chant the entire line together. So Mahaganesha Nirbhinna Vighna Yantra Praharshita Bhanda Surendra Nirmukta Shastra Pratyastra Varshini. So you have to give one thing is first is you have to chant the entire line together, and second that stress to the Mahaprana. Okay. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. So in case if you have already chanted once, I request those people to lower your hands by pressing that hand button again, because otherwise it's difficult for me to find out who has chanted and who has not chanted. I have to go through the entire list of names. So if possible, I request you to do that. Suvarna Sudagoni, I have unmuted you.
Namaskaram, ma'am.
Namaste. Karanguli Nakhotpanna, please.
Karanguli Nakhotpanna Narayana Dashakritihi Mahapashupatasтрagni Nirdagdha Surasainika.
Second line was correct, except that Mahapashupatasтрagni Nirdagdha. So Nirdagdha is a Mahaprana. First the Nirdagdha is a Alpa Prana. Next one is a Mahaprana. So that Dha you told properly, but near Gni there is a pause coming. Can you repeat that line again? Mahapashupatasтрagni.
Yes, ma'am. Mahapashupatasтрagni Nirdagdha Surasainika.
Tamam. Can you chant the first line again?
Karanguli Nakhotpanna Narayana Dashakritihi.
Uttamam Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha. ASK SVM Mahodaya Bhagini. I have unmuted you. You have self-muted yourself, I guess. ASK SVM, I don't know the name. Can you chant the same shloka?
I'm Murthy here.
Murthy Mahodaya. Request you to chant
Karangulina Kotpanna Narayana Dashakritihi महापाशुपतास्त्राग्निर्दग्धासुरसैनिका.
Uttamam Mahodaya. Just that Mahaprana should be heard little more. That kha should be heard very clearly. Karanguli nakhotpanna. Karanguli nakhotpanna narayana dashakrutihi. So there's a difference, right, between ka and kha.
Okay.
Same in second line. Mahapashupatasтрagni nirdagdhasura sainika. That dha should be a Mahapranakshara. These two things you can observe, Mahodaya.
Okay.
Dhanyavada.
Thank you.
Lakshmi Sundar Rajan, I have unmuted you,
Yes.
Bhagini. Ha. So next shloka, Kameshwarastra Nirdhagda.
कामेश्वरास्त्र निर्दग्ध सभण्डासुरशून्यका ब्रह्मोपेन्द्र महेन्द्रादिदेव संस्तुत वैभवा.
Uttamam. It was good, Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha. Mohana Valambe, I have unmuted you. Ha.
Namaskara.
Kameshwaras. Namaskara. Can you chant the same shloka?
Sorry. Kameshwarastra nirdagdha sabhandhasura shunyaka brahmopendra mahendradi deva samstuta vaibhava.
Uttamam Bhagini. All the Mahapranas and the Samyuktakshara was pronounced well. Dhanyavadaha. Ravi Datta Mahodaya, I have unmuted you. Can you try the next, this Haranetragni Sandagdha?
Om Namaskaromi. Pranamami Bhagini.
Namaskaraha.
Haranetra iti.
You have to chant this shloka.
Haranetra iti.
Haranetragni Sandagdha.
Om. Haranetragnisandagdha kamasanjeevanaushadhihi Srimadvagbhavakutaikaswarupamukhpankaja.
Uttama Mahodaya. Only in the first line you are giving a pause after Haranetragni actually. So it is one name of Lalitambika. So try to chant it together. Would you want to try, Mahodaya?
Haranetragnisandagdha kamasanjeevanaushadhihi.
So what's happening here is Ekanimisham Mahodaya. What's happening is after this Sandagda, you should not take a break there. Haranetragni Sandagdha Kama Sanjeevanaushadhihi. So Sandagdha should not come. Sandagdha Kama. Immediately you have to take that Kama Sanjeevanaushadhihi. So it has to be chanted together. It comes over practice. Second line you chanted together. That was very good. Only after the Sandagdha, you're giving that is also very small pause you're giving that you can avoid after practicing, Mahodaya.
Oh, Dhanyavada.
Dhanyavadaha, Mahodaya. Subha Krishnan Bhagini, I have unmuted you.
Namaskaram.
Please try the next shloka. Namaskaram.
कण्ठाधः कटिपर्यन्तमध्यकूटस्वरूपिणी शक्तिकूटैकतापन्नकट्यधो भागधारिणी.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha, Bhagini. Let me see who else has not got a chance. Padma Priya Bhagini, I have unmuted you. Can you try this same shloka?
Ram Bhagini.
Ram.
Kantadhah katiparyanta madhyakootaswarupiणी Shakti त्रिकूटैकथापन्नकट्यधोभागधारिणी.
Uttamam. Would you try the next one also? Moola Mantratmika.
Yes, Bhagini. मूलमन्त्रात्मिका मूलकूटत्रयकलेवरा कुलामृतैकरसिका कुलसङ्खेतपालिनी.
The Sanketa is a Alpa Prana. Can you tell the second line again?
कुलामृतैकरसिका कुलसङ्केतपालिनी.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha.
धन्यवादाः.
Which class you are in, Padma Priya Bhagini? I think she's on mute. Which class you are studying in?
Anaga.
Okay.
I'm studying in 5th standard.
Okay, very good, Anaga. Uttamam.
Thank you.
We will go to Jayanti Venkatesh Bhagini. I have unmuted you. Can you try the next shloka, Kulangana?
Namaskaram.
Namaskaram.
37, no? Kulangana kuladasta kaulini kulayogini agula samayandasta samaya saratatpara.
Some few small things, Bhagini. What I'll do is I'll teach once, you can repeat after me. Kulangana kulantastha kaulini kulayogini. Can you repeat?
Yes. Kulangana kuladasta kaulini kulayogini.
Kulantastha Mahaprana.
Kulangana kulatasta kaulini kulayogini.
In the second word Kulantastha Bhagini, there is a nakara after la. That nakara has to be heard. Kulanta, that should be heard. Kulantastha. Can you tell? Correct.
Kulangana kulatasta kaulini kulayogini.
Next line, can you try?
Samayandasta samayasara
Samayachara tatpara. There is a chakara there. Samayachara tatpara. Can you try?
Samayachara tatpara.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Krishnaveni Jayaraman. I have unmuted you. Krishnaveni Jayaraman Bhagini, I have unmuted you. Can you try the same shloka?
Bhagini. Kulangana kulantastha kauliनी kulayogini akula samayantastha samayachara tatpara.
Uttamam. That tha should be even more clearer there. Akula samayantastha samayachara tatpara. So what happens is in the verses, every letter will be important. So every letter has to be heard clearly. Like sometimes, it is multiple letters. Like for example, stha. So it's a samyukta akshara. So is there, tha also is there. So we should take care to pronounce both the letters. Otherwise it is good, Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha.
Okay.
Gopika Bhagini, I have unmuted you. Can you try the next? Namaskara. Mooladharaika Nilaya, can you try?
Bhagini. Mooladharaika Nilaya Brahma Granthi Vibedini Manipuranta Rudita Vishnu Granthi Vibedini.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha Gopika Bhagini. Let me go to whose name I have not called out. I'll call them. Priya Krishnan, I have unmuted you.
Namaste Bhagini.
Namaste. Can you try this? Agnya Chakrantaralastha.
Astu. Agnya Chakrantaralastha Rudragranthiviphedini Sahasrarambhujarudha Sudhasarabhivarshini.
Uttamam. Just the first word, first line, first one. Can you tell again? Agnya Chakrantaral.
Agnya Chakrantaralastha Rudragranthiviphedini.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha Gopika Bhagini.
Priya Bhagini. Dhanyawadaha.
Priya Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyawadaha.
Dhanyavadaha. Let me go to Rajesh Vembu. I have unmuted you. Can you try the same shloka? Rajesh Vembu Mahodaya. I'm not able to hear you. You are actually unmuted yourself, but I'm not able to hear you. Okay, let me make him put him on mute because I'm not able to hear anything. Sita Shankar. I have Sita Shankar. I'm not able to. Not able to hear. Venkateshwara Gopala Mahodaya, you have self-muted. Can you unmute?
Namaste, madam.
Namaste.
Can you
this? Chant the same? Yes, yes. Agnya Chakrantaralastha. Mahodaya, I'm not able to hear you. Is it? Oh, you are. Can you try now, Mahodaya? You are self-muted actually. Venkateshwara Gopala. Now it's fine. Can you tell?
Okay. Agnya Chakrantaralastha Rudragranthiviphedini Sahasrarambhujarudha Sudhasarabhivarshini.
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 Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha, Mahodaya. Chitra Tyagarajan Bhagini.
Namaste Bhagini. I have chanted in the last class, but I have a doubt in one of the slokas. I thought, let me ask you. Yeah.
Sure. Tell
me. How many words are there in sloka number 37? Kulangana, Kulangastha, Kaulini, Kulayogini.
Kulangana, Kulantastha, Kaulini, Kulayogini, Akula, Samayantastha, Samayachara, Tatpara. There are totally 7 names.
7 names, is it? Okay, I just wanted to clarify that. If you give me a chance, let me recite.
Sure. You want to recite the same shloka? Kulangana?
Okay. Kulangana, Kulantastha, Kaulini, Kulayogini, Akula, Samayantastha, Samayachara, Tatpara.
Uttamam Bhagini. Now I think for those who had raised their hands today, most of them I have covered. I'll just check once if anybody is left out. Then again, I request people to, who have previously raised their hands can raise their Raise again. Okay, I see here somebody SPS. SPS. I have unmuted you. You are on self mute.
Ma'am, you.
SPS. Mahodaya, you are on self mute. You have raised your hand. Okay, let me call. I think Sita Shankar wanted to chant. Yes. Can you chant
Yes,
Agnya
ma'am.
Chakrantaralastha?
Yes,
39th verse.
Thank you. Agnya Chakrantaralastha Rudra Granthi Vibedini Sahasrambhujarudha Sudha Sagara Bivarshini.
Okay. Bhagini, I'll do one thing. I will teach once. You can repeat after I teach. Okay.
Yes,
Agnya Chakrantaralastha.
Agnya Chakrantaralastha
Rudra Granthi Vibhedini.
Rudra Granthi Vibhedini Rudra Granthi Vibhedini
Sahasrarambhujarudha.
Sahasrarambhujarudha Sahasrarambhujarudha
Sudha Sarabhivarshini.
Sudha Sarabhivarshini Sudha Sarabhivarshini. Shall I say the whole thing again?
You can. There is another voice coming. So if anybody is on unmute, please mute yourself. Bhagini, go ahead.
Sahasrarambhujarudha Sudha Sagara Sudha Sarabhivarshini Sudha Sarabhivarshini
Uttamam. Dhanyavada. Sudha Sarabhivarshini. Sudha Sarabhivarshini.
I read it by mistake.
No problem. It happens. Dhanyavada, Bhagini. You can mute yourself now. Sumati Balaji. Sumati Balaji, I have unmuted you. Can you chant Agnya Chakrant? Namaskaram.
Agnya Chakrantaralastha Rudra Granthi Vibedini Sahasrarambujaruda Sudha Sarabhivarshini.
Bhagini, here a couple of things we should remember. See in this, if you see the letters which are marked in red, like Tha is a Mahaprana. Again, Bha, Vibhedini, Bha is a Mahaprana. Then Sahasra Rambuja Rudha, Dha is a Mahaprana. So whichever is marked in red, we need to put little more stress. I will teach one, first one, you can chant. Agnya Chakrantaralastha.
Agnya Chakrantaralastha
Rudra Granthi Vibhedini.
Rudra Granthi Vibhedini
Sahasrarambujarudha.
Sahasrarambujarudha
Dha, Mahaprana. Rudha, can you chant?
Sahasrarambujarudha
Sudha Sarabhivarshini.
Sudha Sarabhivarshini.
I can hear two voices. If somebody is on unmute, please mute yourself.
Dhanyavadaha,
Subramanian, yes, Dhanyavadaha. You can mute yourself. Subramanian Mahodaya, I have unmuted you. Can you try the next? Namaste. Can you try this one? Tadillata Samaruchihi.
Okay, ma'am. Tadillata samaruchi षट्चक्रोबरि संस्थिता महाशक्तिः कुण्डलिनी विसतन्तुतनीयसी.
So in the second line, you have to chant it as, see, after Visarga, there is a ka coming in. So, Mahasakti Kundalini. Can you chant?
महाशक्तिः कुण्डलिनी विसतन्तुतनीयसी.
Uttamam. Only thing is when the Visarga is followed by ka letter, we have to be chanting half Visarga. That we need to keep in mind. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Sachin, I have unmuted you. Sachin Mahodaya.
Hello.
Can you, Sachin, can you chant Agna Chakrantaralastha?
Yes, ma'am. Agnya Chakrantaralastha Rudragranthi Vibhedini Sahasrarambujarudha Sudha Sarabhivarshini.
Uttamam. Sachin, it was good. Only thing is when you are pronouncing Shakara and Shakara, you can observe the difference. You can listen to the old recording and practice it. The difference between Shakara, Murdhanya Sha and Talavya Sha. Sha and Sha. Okay. Otherwise, it was very good. Dhanyavadaha Sachin. You can mute yourself. Let me go to Sankara Narayanan Venkata Subramanian Mahodaya.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you chant this? Agnya Chakrantaralastha?
Yes, ma'am. Agnya Chakrantalalasta Rudragranthi Vibhedini Sahasrarambujarudha Sudasarabhivarshini.
So you where there is a Mahaprana, only there you need to give stress. For example, Sahasrarambuja. There is the for Ja, it is an Alpa Prana. So it's Ja, that's all. There is no need to put stress there. Can you chant that word again? Sahasrarambuja?
Sahasrarambujarudha.
Next word, Sudha.
Sudha Sarabhivarshini.
Dhanyavadaha, Uttamam. Raja Lakshmi, I have unmuted you.
Namaste, Bhagini.
Namaste. Let me display previous Mahapadmatavi Samstha. Can you chant this?
Yeah. Mahapadmatavi Samstha Kadambavanavasini Sudha Sagara Madhyastha Kamakshi Kamadayini.
Uttamam. Was good. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. SPS. I have unmuted you. SPS. You're on self-mute, Mahodaya. SPS. Can you chant the same shloka? Namaste. Can you chant this Mahapadmatavi Samstha?
Mahapadmatavi Samstha Kadamba Vanavasini Sudha Sagara Madhyastha Kamakshi Kamadayini.
Uttamam Mahodaya. Dhanyavadaha. You can mute yourself now. Meena Raman. Bhagini, I have unmuted you. Can you chant Sumeru Madhya Shungastha?
Sumeru Madhya Shringastha Srimannaharanayika Sintamani Krihandastha Panja Brahmasanastita.
So, like I was telling in the previous classes, sometimes we, because of our regional mother tongue language, there will be a little bit influence of that when we pronounce some letters. For example, you know, you can try this Shriman Nagaranayika. Can you try, Bhagini?
Srimanagaranayika.
Yes, this time it came out well. Can you try Pancha Brahmasana Sthita?
Panchabrahmastanastita.
You can listen to me once. Pancha Brahmasana Sthita.
Panchabrahmastanastita.
So I'll tell you what are the things that you need to observe. There is a cha here, pancha. Can you tell pancha?
Pancha.
So it's you're able to tell this. Brahma.
Brahma.
Brahma. Asana.
Asana.
Sthita.
Sthita.
So see, you're able to spell actually all the letters properly. Only thing is when you're joining and pronouncing, you have to be careful. So you practice this, you know, listening to the recording. Pancha Brahmasana Sthita. Okay.
This recording will be where it will be?
So on the Sanskrit from Home course page, you can find the recording there. You can download or you can listen to it from there.
Okay, thank you.
It will also be available on the YouTube channels.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, Dhanyavadaha, Bhagini. Okay. Brunda Brin Shrin Brunda Bhagini iti manye. Sarvarunanavatya. Namaste. Can you chant this Sarvarunana?
Sarvarunanavatyangi Sarvabharanabhushita Sivakameswarangastha Shiva Swadhina Vallabha.
Uttamam. Only one small thing, that ka should be heard clearly. Shiva Kameshwarankastha. Can you try?
Shiva Kameshwarangastha Shiva Swadhina Vallabha.
Can you chant Shiva Kameshwarankastha again?
Shiva Kameshwarangastha Shiva Swadhina.
It is Shiva Kameshwarankastha.
Shiva Kameshwarankastha Shiva Swadhina Vallabha.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha, Bhagini.
Dhanyavadaha.
Lata Sundaram. I have unmuted you. Lata Sundaran. I have you can chant Sumeru Madhya Shungastha.
Yes, ma'am. Sumeru Madhya Shringastha Srimanagaranayika Chintamani Grihantastha Pancha Brahmasanasthita.
Uttamam. The second line, first word. Chintamani Gruhantastha. So the Chintamani, there is a Hasvaswara. It is not a Dirgha. So Chintamani Gruhantastha. Can you repeat?
Where, ma'am? Can you repeat it again?
Second line. In the second line, Chintamani Gruhantastha. This Chintamani should be a it should not be a Dirgha there. Chintamani Gruhantastha. Can you tell?
Chintamani Grihantastha Pancha Brahmasanasthita. Ma'am, one more thing. I want to ask you one thing.
Tell me.
40th sloka. 40th sloka. Tati Lata Samaruchi.
Tadil Lata.
After Samaruchi, there is a Visarga. So how to pronounce that?
Tadil Lata Samarucha Shat see there, if you are giving a pause after samaruchihi, it is okay. Tadillata samaruchihi shatchakro parisamsthita. So if you are joining and telling together, then that visarga should be like half visarga. Tadillata samarucha shatchakro parisamsthita.
That
So
what is
here,
that?
since these two are different names of Lalitambika, Tadillata Samaruchihi is one name, Shat Chakropari
Okay.
Samsthita is another name. So you can take a break there and chant it as Tadillata Samaruchihi Shat Chakropari Samsthita in this case.
Okay, and what is meant by half visarga?
So if I pronounce Tadillata Samaruchihi, okay, that is a full, completely I'm pronouncing the visarga. Whereas now let me take the example of next line, okay. Mahasaktihi Kundalini is there, right? So now
Yeah.
here the rule comes. So ka is the, there is a ka letter there after the visarga. So Mahasakti Kundalini. So if you heard clearly, Mahasakti Kundalini. Can you find the difference?
Yeah, yeah.
So what you can do is, Bhagini, in the first class of Lalita Sahasranama, all these pronunciation aspects are covered in the first class, class 1. So if you can just visit once the first class, a lot of things will get clarified for you regarding these pronunciation rules.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Definitely.
Dhanyavada.
Okay.
So I think we are almost 7:35. So I will stop the class at this, and again apologies for the inconvenience caused. There was some issues with technical issues with my laptop, and I had to change and all those things. So again, apologies. We will chant the Mangala Shloka and close the class for today. Dhanyavadaha for everyone for patiently waiting and being part of the class. And I hope all of you have got an opportunity to chant today, whoever had raised their hands. In case if I have missed somebody, please drop a mail to me at sandhya.vyoma@gmail.com. So I'll remember to note down your name and call you out in the next class. So next class, we will continue with the new set of shlokas. With that, let us chant the Mangala Shloka and close. सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके देवी नारायणि नमोऽस्तु ते. Dhanyavadaha. Look forward to meet you all in the next class again. Namaste.
Namaste. Namaste, ma'am. We can leave.